Well, hello there, and welcome to the first series on this channel where me, a random idiot who has no experience in horror games, will try playing a bunch of them. This will probably be pretty fun. Horror games were never really my cup of tea. Um, when I was a kid, I couldn't even play Mortal Kombat because the blood messed me up. So this should probably go well. But I'm well prepared. I'm well equipped. I've got a brand new pair of underwear with me and some toilet paper. So let's get right on to it. Alright, so this game that you can see in the screen is called He Sneaks, which is an interesting name. It's the first kind of weird game that I found on itch.io, which is this website with a bunch of amateur horror games that no one really knows, but they are supposed to be really weird, so let's try it out. The car stalled again. What am I supposed to do? The first thing would be try not getting a car that looks like a pixelated rectangle, I think. That's probably not a car you can rely on. Alright, let's go. This reminds me a little bit of Slender, the 8 Pages. I think I tried that game once. Oh shit! What the hell? What the hell was that? Oh my god. What the hell happened? What the hell? Okay, I'm freaking out. We're not even 1 minute into the game, and I'm scared shitless. What the hell is going on? That was really creepy. There's no context to what's happening. Wow. Alright, oh my god. I can't see anything. Can I run? I think I can. If I press shift, yeah. That's cool. Does this game have any sound or music at all? Steel door. Yeah, sure. Okay. What do we have next? What was that? I heard the weird noise. Oh, a flashlight. That's gonna be useful. I hope so. I can't open it. Damn it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I miss playing Kingdom Hearts and Disney games. That's significantly weird. Why is there a random baby doll standing here? Is this like a metaphor? Is the game trying to tell me something about the narrative? Like Silent Hill, did I lost my baby or something? Are you trying to pull a Silent Hill 2 on me? By being all metaphorical and shit? Oh, there's a key. Okay. That's probably gonna be useful. And the baby's gone. Wow. So now there's probably a Chucky random baby doll trying to kill me, walking around these dark halls. Cool. Everything I've always dreamed of. Okay, we can open the door now. What the hell is... Oh my god. What the hell is that? It looks like a portal into hell. Oh my god. Why would I go there? I mean, isn't there any other way out? And here's the creepy baby again. How did you get here? An hammer. Okay. It's gonna be useful. I guess I can use this to kill something. It doesn't do anything. At least I think it doesn't. Alright. Bye bye, creepy looking baby doll. Alright. Okay, so now we're going somewhere. Here we go. Just trying to build my courage here. Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we just entered some hellish dimension, I think. And I have no idea why. I don't know why. Did our car just broke down in the middle of the street and we just walk into a random house and now we're in the seventh circle of hell or something? There's no context to this. I have no idea what is going on. But I'm freaking out. Because I'm a chicken. Oh shit. Oh my god. Can I use the door? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so not used to these type of games. What is this creature? It seems to me that he's already left here. Alright, so apparently I can hide into places like this. Cool. So that's probably a gameplay mechanic that I gotta use. Pass 5. What does this mean? Should I go back to that place? I don't want to come across that creature again. It's so creepy. Please, no jump scares. No jump scares, please. Where's that hammer I had with me? I could use it to, you know, beat that thing up. And now we're walking into a evil-looking pentagram. Nice. Which is always something you should do, kids. Okay. What the hell is going on, and what does this mean? That looks cool. And that's some very creepy music. Matches the tone. Alright. So another pentagram. I think that's what these things are called, right? These evil looking stars. What do they mean? And why am I supposed to collect them? Alright. I think there's another corridor here. Why do I feel like I'm not supposed to go there? Am I gonna get jump scared again? Please no. Okay. What is this? The father is acting strange. He worships some painting. We're all going to move out of here. Alright. Okay, alright. I have no idea what that means. Absolutely no clue. Okay, let's go to the next circle of hell, I assume. Alright. Oh, now we're talking. We got a weapon now. Not the type of weapon I would wish, but this will do for now. Better than nothing. Can I fight that thing? Okay, yes! Okay, so we're armed now. We can defeat creatures. But that's not the other one that jump scared me before. This is other type of creature, like probably a minion or something. Doesn't look very scary, I think. Alright, let's try find scarier things, I guess. What do we have here? Nothing. Nothing, absolutely nothing. A dead end, which is probably not very good. I don't want to get trapped in here with that thing again. Another dead end. Are you trying to mess with me, game? Come on. Don't pull an amnesia on me. And a random chair. Looks good. Can I rest here for a while? Why is this chair here? Is this like a throne or something? I got no clue. And I can't do anything with it, apparently. It's just here to mess with me. Alright, let's keep going. I want to get this over with as fast as possible. Because horror games, they're really not my thing. And I've probably told you this 100 times already. Okay. What? Okay, that's the creature we defeated a while ago, I think. Find her doll, free me. Find the doll, the one inside the house? Alright. What doll and free who? Who the hell is this sending me these messages? Nothing makes sense in this game. Which is actually why I love it. Okay. Molly's room. I think this game is trying to pull a Silent Hill 2 on me. There's probably some dark story connected to my past that I don't quite remember. I get another one. Apparently that's what I do now. I collect evil pentagrams. What the hell is going on? So, gravity is inverted here. Why? Wow. That's unsettling. And why is there a wheelchair? It looks like something you'd expect in a nursing home. So there's probably a narrative here that the game is trying to tell us. But I don't exactly get it yet. Oh, okay. I understand how the game works now. So when we collect a pentagram, another one of these portals shows up and we can use it to get out and go to the next level. Okay. So that's how we beat this thing, I assume. If I don't get a heart attack before that. Okay. Why is this me? Oh my god. Okay. Hopefully there's not a lot of poop in my pants yet, so I think I still don't need to use this, hopefully. Maybe I'll get to spare it. Because I don't have a lot of toilet paper left in my home. I might as well just keep it. Okay. Let's try not going to that same spot. Because that got us killed last time. Apparently I can use the X to kill these minions, but it's very specific the way you kill them. You gotta be very close to them, and you only get like one chance before they kill you. Got a key. Alright. Alright. So what next? Okay, so here's the minion that's been trying to kill us. Can I sneak on him? I think I'm gonna try doing that. Oh, and it saw me now. Come on, I'm not afraid of you. Come on out. Alright? I got an axe and a key. I'll poke the key in your eyeball. Okay, that didn't work at all. Okay, so apparently I can't kill these things anymore, which I
managed to do before. So now I just gotta... Yeah, I just gotta sneak past them. So what's really the point of the axe now? I think those things glow, like they have a red glow around them. So if you see a red glow, it's probably because there's one enemy nearby. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, there's one. I think he didn't see me. Okay. Oh, so here's the door I'm supposed to open, but I don't have the key anymore. And it's after me now. Okay, how am I gonna do this? I don't remember where the key is. And he's about to kill me. How do I trick this thing into not killing me? Okay, I think I got a plan. I gotta get the key really fast. Come on, get the key. Come on. I can't stop running, otherwise I'm dead. But I gotta get the key and then I use the key to open the door. I think that's it. That's the only way. Come on, come on. Get the key. Yeah. Alright. We're doing this. Now where's the door? I don't remember where the door is. Damn it. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And there's another one of those things. I think there's 2 of them at least. I gotta find the door. It's probably still after me. Oh my god. Never gives up. There it is. Yes. Come on. Come on. Open, 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 open. Yes. Oh, come on. Oh, shit. That was amazing. Oh, I have no idea how I did that. That was some very fast thinking. Okay. Now I gotta find the pentagram portal. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where's the exit? Oh shit. Now I got 2 of them. No, 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 no. Oh, come on. Now I'm being chased by 2 of those things. Oh, there you are, there you are. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Oh yeah. Where's my axe? Just had it in my hands, and now you don't. Because you probably lost it. And the game's messing with you again. Okay. So either there's some secret story, like related to the past of the main character that the game is trying to tell me, like a Silent Hill-esque thing, or maybe this stuff here is just IKEA for demons, I guess. There's not really much else to it. Maybe this is hell and they use this furniture to chill out. Wait, I think I can hear random sounds. Why is this music here? And he's after me again. Oh, it's the main guy. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. What is this? Can the doll help me? Okay, I got the doll. Oh, come on. Okay, so I assume there's something about that doll that is supposed to help me fight that thing. But why? Doesn't make any sense. Come on, 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 come on. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah. Oh yeah. I got a doll. It's a baby doll and it's gonna kill you. It can be returned. But he's free. Okay. What the hell was that? Okay, I'm not doing anything right now. It's a cutscene. What is this all about? Okay, apparently that's it. I'm gonna try to figure out if this game has alternate endings or something, because maybe there's something I missed that could have get me a different ending. I don't really understand what happened or what the narrative was. Maybe it's the game just created to scare the crap out of me. I don't know. But yeah, that's my first video ever. He's Next. It's a pretty cool game. Support the developer. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one. And hopefully, I'll have to actually use toilet paper next time. Bye!